Dealing with PUA Win32 ICBundler, learn how to remove this potentially unwanted application from your PC and keep your system safe. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. Click on Open Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Scan Options, and then choose Scan Now. Step 2. Boot into safe mode. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type msconfig and press Enter. Go to the Boot tab. Check the box next to Safe Boot. Click Apply, then OK, and choose Restart. Step 3. Delete Windows Defender Scan History. Once in safe mode, open File Explorer. Navigate to this PC and open Local Disk, C. Click on the 3 dots at the top and select Options. Go to the View tab and select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Click Apply and then OK. Open the Program Data folder, then go to Microsoft Windows Defender Scans History. Right-click on the Results folder and select Delete. Step 4. Reboot. Normally press Windows plus R again and type msconfig. Go back to the Boot tab. Uncheck the Safe Boot option. Click Apply, then OK, and choose Restart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.